What's your name and badge number?
Officer Striegel.E1753.
Okay.
So we're not going to be able to stand here and watch. Otherwise, it is a citation. This is the warning for right now. And then everything else is just going to be a citation.
Is this a lawful order for standing on a street corner?
And you are videotaping the cars coming out of here?
No, sir. I'm recording you.
Right now you are.
Uh-huh.
You are also recording people that are coming out. We've been watching you from there.
I was recording your officer go over and pull somebody over.
Right. You're also recording cars that are coming out. So this is the statute. If you want to take a picture of that.
Is this a lawful order?
It is. This went into effect October 1st.
Okay. Is the First Amendment Constitution of Press not a legal thing anymore?
This is...
West Palm Beach police officers are seen attempting to shut down the filming of vehicles leaving a Cars and Coffee automotive enthusiast event. The officers actively confront citizens standing on a public sidewalk and claim that simply recording the vehicles is now a punishable offense under a newly enacted state law. This blatant overreach by law enforcement highlights a concerning pattern of intimidation meant to suppress constitutionally protected public documentation.
Is it not a constitutionally protected right to be able to film?
Sorry?
Is it not a constitutionally protected right to be able to film?
The statutes, I just enforce it.
No, Constitution, not the statutes. The Constitution that supersedes it. So you're saying video recording entices people to drive recklessly? Gotcha. I guess if there was a big crowd or something going on here.
That's what we're trying to, like, for the weeks there was 100 people out here, people doing donuts out here, hitting the median.
Yeah, people being stupid.
Yeah, exactly.
I was just riding my skateboard through and I found a shady spot to stand, so I came over here and chilled in my shady spot. Anybody being stupid yet today, or they see you guys and don't be stupid today?
Well, this helps us sit here. People running red lights.
Sure. You ever enforced any sound ordinances, like vehicle bass and loud audio belts and stuff like that, or never really messed with it?
There's a statute for non-stop exhaust. So most of these exhausts that come through,
Sure.
you write them for non-stop.
But like radio stuff, aftermarket radio stuff, ever mess with it, or?
Radio just changed. You're allowed to have the radio now.
Really? I heard the statute saying the other way, saying if it was heard within a certain amount of feet, they were allowed to like...
You're right. It did change back that way, 25 feet.
Right.
25 feet.
You. Is this not public property?
Sorry?
Is this not public property? The mall owns this property where I'm standing right here. Makes sense. So you're saying you can't film from the grass, you can't film from the sidewalk?
law when...
The police officers cite a recently updated Florida street racing statute to justify their demands for citizens to stop recording video in public spaces. They claim that presence on the sidewalk with a camera inherently encourages drivers to perform dangerous, illegal stunts like burnouts and reckless exhibitions. Under well-established federal case law, specifically Glick v. Caniff, 655 F. 3rd 78, First Circuit 2011, the court held that the First Amendment protects the filming of government officials in public spaces. By misapplying a traffic enforcement statute to target peaceful citizens holding cameras, these corrupt officers are intentionally fabricating legal restrictions to assert total control over a public space.
The fact that spectating this is actually a criminal citation.
What's your name and badge number?
Officer Strigel.E1753.
Okay.
So we're not going to be able to stand here and watch. Otherwise, it is a citation. This is the warning for right now. And then everything else is just going to be a citation.
Is this a lawful order for standing on a street corner?
And you are videotaping the cars coming out of here.
No, sir, I'm recording you.
Right now you are.
Uh-huh.
You are also recording the people that are coming out. We've been watching you from there.
I was recording your officer go over and pull somebody over.
Right, you're also recording cars that are coming out. So this is the statute. If you want to take a picture of that.
Is this a lawful order?
It is. It is a statute. It's went into effect October 1st.
Okay. Is the First Amendment, Constitution of the Press, not a legal thing anymore?
This is prohibits the person from spectating the purpose of filming or recording. That is what you're doing.
For sure.
Right now I'm doing just a warning. Right? I need you guys to leave here. Otherwise we will come back and we will issue citations.
And this is a Florida statute, correct? Sir, I'm asking you a question.
If he could, fucking...
Across the street, man.
You know, Jay won't keep... Now I won't
Thank you, sir.
That's for you. That's for you. That is for you. October 1st, state statutes have changed. Now we're in an exhibition and there is no filming out here. Anybody that is out here filming is right here educating right now for warning. We issue criminal citation. Okay? Anybody else want some information? You got it, right?
Yes, sir. What's your badge number, officer? Officer, have you?
sorry.
No, you're fine. You're totally good. I'm trying to move it on. Awesome. Sure, if you have one.
Quick question. Yeah, quick question.
What actually has to take place for it to...
There you go, that's free.
Thank you, man. I appreciate you.
One of these...
So this is the description of what it is, okay? Why this is considered, this is the definition of like a race, an exhibition, all of those things, okay? And why, it didn't really highlight well, but why out here filming is now against the law that went into effect on October 1st. So we're just trying to be out here educated.
Do you mind if
we
I...
don't want to issue tickets.
Sure. Do you mind if I ask you a question when you get a sec?
Is-
Go ahead.
Where is anybody doing any of the things listed here?
A citizen holding a camera directly challenges the officers, asking how standing peacefully on a public sidewalk with a recording device can possibly be deemed an illegal act. The officers refuse to acknowledge the supreme hierarchy of constitutional law, falsely asserting that their local statutory order supersedes the fundamental rights of the citizenry. Section 242 of Title 18 of the United States Code states, "It is a crime for any person acting under color of any law, statute, ordinance, regulation, or custom to willfully subject any person in any state, territory, commonwealth, possession, or district to the deprivation of any rights, privileges, or immunities secured or protected by the Constitution or laws of the United States." These law enforcement figures are actively weaponizing their badges to threaten innocent videographers with unlawful citations and arrests.
So as they're coming out, they start chirping tires, they start squealing, they're doing burnouts.
I'm not hearing that. I'm hearing...
I'm educating right now.
I got you.
I want to be on the level with you guys because I don't want you guys to get tickets. It's not
I've
worth it.
already gotten one, believe it or not.
Yeah,
So
I don't
don't
want
worry
you to have a
about it.
ticket. So that's fine.
My question to you. Constitutionally protected activity. First Amendment press, freedom of press, not able to record whatever you want
It's not
to.
about the recording, it's about being there. That's the problem.
No, you're on public property. Are we not on a sidewalk?
Spectating of any kind is...
That's why I passed out the information to you.
Yeah.
But
I'm not recording any. I don't care to record any cars. I'm sitting here hanging out in the shade.
That took place place and that you were there for that reason.
Understand it. I just know.
Unfortunately, now everything's
So-
over online, so
Hear me out for 2 seconds. Hear me out for 2 seconds. This is a Florida statute. The Constitution says that you have freedom of press.
So they're just going to issue.
So that
the tickets
supersedes it, and that's what I'm
after
curious
the morning,
about.
that's all. Just want to educate, so we're all on the
No,
same
no,
page.
no, I appreciate it, man. No problem.
Okay?
Thank you.
Have a good one.
I'm pretty sure they're going to come back if we continue to see it. All
Am I
right?
able to film cars that are leaving slowly? I mean,
So here's my suggestion. Maybe just a little further in there. Okay? That's why. Because the reason being is that we're going to get somebody hurt.
yeah, no, that's
Somebody's going to get hurt. Somebody's going to lose control. They're going to slam into a pedestrian. They're going to slam into another car. That's
I
happening.
get it. I'm not trying to egg anybody on or anything like that. I'm just
So you've seen the videos out here. like,
little video.
He takes the videos. What do you mean?
I almost tripped over your skateboard.
You saw me moving it out of the way when
the little phone videos.
Yeah.
I do movies.
It's
and
for
stuff,
everybody's safety. That's all. That's why
Yeah,
we're out here educated. We want to make sure everybody's safe. That's all. And once again, trust me, I love cars. I'm a car guy.
Yeah,
They're my favorite thing in the whole wide world. But once again, we're out here doing a job. And
What do you
we try
drive?
to educate.
Oh, I get it.
Okay.
What do you drive?
I drive a Subaru.
Subaru. Nice.
So well, I mean, it's not a W. It's just
It's still Subaru.
Yeah.
It's still an enthusiast. Still got all-wheel drive, I think. That's what matters, man.
it's got to be as big.
Forget debt. That's no good.
That's all it's got to be as big. So, like I said, we're just out here educating. We are going to be right here. If you guys got questions, you let us know.
Thank you,
okay?
man. Have a good one.
The officers issue formal warnings to the crowd, ordering them to leave the public property immediately or face imminent criminal citations. The videographer maintains his ground in the shade, clarifying that he is filming the public-police interaction itself rather than any traffic violations. Section 1983 of Title 42 of the United States Code dictates, "Every person who, under color of any statute, ordinance, regulation, custom, or usage of any state or territory or the District of Columbia, subjects or causes to be subjected any citizen of the United States or other person within the jurisdiction thereof to the deprivation of any rights, privileges, or immunities secured by the Constitution and laws shall be liable to the party injured in an action at law." This disturbing display of authority shows corrupt cops relying on public compliance and intimidation to enforce a completely made-up prohibition against filming in public. Like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks.